Greetings. Decided to create an additional video based on questions about how and why the debarking of live edge is important. The reasons for debarking is simple, because eventually, someday down the road, it's all going to be coming off anyways. You can try epoxying it, you can try gluing it, it's all going to come off. Let's begin with some safety notes as well as what tools we'll be utilizing. After knocking the dust off your PPE, let's grab a couple different wire brushes and wire wheel brush for the drill. I already know which brushes work, however I encourage you to try multiple different brushes as they will differ in stiffness.
Alright, so we're going to begin with the wire brush here and just kind of do some small strokes and getting that bark off. If you notice, I'm not really putting any energy into it. Again, this is red cedar. It is pretty soft, and we just want to basically get down to that beautiful purple right there. Just as a demonstration, I'm going to show what the wire grinding wheel does to it. Really, it's just going to chew it up, so I'm not going to do much, just a little bit. You can see right here, you can see a lot of the, from the wheel, all the scratch marks in there, and pretty abrasive. And it's not really something that you want to have to work with later with the sander. Whereas the purple here, you give the better color. Some of it is going to come off with the sander later on, but you're still going to preserve some of it. Alright, next we're going to work on the sander just a little bit. No real technique other than just kind of rounding it off, not really putting any pressure on it whatsoever. So as you can see here, after the sanding, we were able to at least preserve some of the purple in here, and you get a lot of the good whites and grays almost with this red cedar.
Luckily, there's no need to wait for a finished product or an additional video. We actually have a red cedar table here, live edge, and as you can see, there are the purples and reds, the whites and grays, as well as one other unique feature of the live edge. We had a bug or something that had burrowed through the bark and left us a pretty unique little design. In closing, special shout out to Logs to Lumber here in Northern Virginia. The red cedar that you saw today is going towards a future project of a red cedar bench. As far as an orbital sander, I highly suggest that over a palm or sheet sander. Let me know if you would like to see more by leaving a comment below. Also, please like this video. If you're interested in contacting me, I did put an email address below that I created specifically for some of these wood projects. Thank you.